everyone, welcome to this class. In this class, today I explain you ratio and proportion. Come to the module number 3, and in this module I explain you how to write ratio in a simplest form. Suppose a question is given to you 60 ratio 75. This you have to write in a simplest form. Then how do we write in a simplest form? First thing is that you find out the HCF of 60 and 75. So how do we calculate? Calculate it by the division method. Now let's just divide them. 60 into 1, 60. Subtract them, it is 5, it is 1. Now what next? Divide this number again by this remainder 15. And it is, so HCF is 15. Now what we do next? Write down in a form of fraction 60 upon 75 and divide both the numbers by this HCF. Divide this one by 15 and this one also by 15. So what do we get? 15 into, when we divide 60 by 15 we get 4, and it is, when we divide 75 by 15 we get 5. So this one is the simplest form of ratio. So we can say this is the answer. Okay everyone? Now this is the next question. In this question you have to again convert it into a simplest form. Then how do we find? As you did in last question, find the HCF of 324 and 144. 144 is the smallest number, so we divide it by 144. 324, and this is equivalent to, when we divide it by 2, 288. Now subtract them. It is 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3, and it is 36. Now what we do next? Again you divide 144 by 36. 36 into 4. That is 144. So this is the way. And here the HCF is 36. So HCF of these numbers is equivalent to 36. Now what we do next? Write down this one in a form of fraction. Okay? And divide these two numbers by 36. Divide them by 36. So what do you get? After the division of this one, it is equivalent to 9 and it is equivalent to 4. So we can say, and you write down in a simplest form, means in a form of ratio. So this is equivalent to 9 ratio 4. So this is the answer. Okay everyone? So this is the simplest form of this number. Right? Now here come to the module number 4, unit B. The question is 300 meter ratio 5 kilometer. In this question you have to write the ratio in a simplest form. So first thing is that this unit is in meter and it is in kilometer. As we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This is yes or no? Yes. So now first we convert 5 kilometer in the form of meters. So it means we multiply them 5 into 1000. So this is 5000 meter. Now you write down the ratio. 300 meter ratio 5000 meter. It means there is no, now both the units are same. Now you write this ratio in a form of fraction. 300 upon 5000. First thing is that, one method is that I explained you in my last module. First you find the HCF of these two numbers. Or another method is that you reduce them. Just see here, 0 is here, 0, so we can cut 0 by 0. Here also we can cut 0 and 0. So this is equivalent to 3 upon 50. So this is, the answer is 3 ratio 50. So this is the way to calculate answer. Okay everyone? Now the next question is 3 dozens to 15 items. This you have to write in a simplest form. Now first thing is that units are different. This one is in dozen, this one is in items. As we know, 1 dozen is equivalent to 12 items. Yes everyone? So first we convert this number, means 3 dozen is into a value. So 3 into 12, so it means 3 into 12 is equal to 36 items. Now you write them. 36 in place of 3 dozen I am writing 36 items to 15 items. Now write down in a form of ratio. 36 ratio 15. Now in the form of fraction. As I told you, either you find the HCF of these two numbers or you reduce them. So we can reduce them. These two numbers are, let's see, 1 plus 5 6 and it is 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Means both of them are divisible by 3. So we can reduce it by 3. 3 5s are 15 and it is 12. So it is 12 upon 5. So the answer is 12 ratio 5. So this is the way to calculate this answer. Okay everyone? Now come to the module number 5. In this module again you write down in a form of ratio. So here it is, the unit is in meter and this unit is in centimeter. First thing is that you convert, you change the numbers into a same unit. Okay. So here 1 meter. 1 meter, as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Meter is equivalent to what? So this one we multiply 3 into 100. So it is equivalent to 300 centimeter. So it means the question is 300 centimeter. So in place of 3 meter you write down 300 centimeter to 20 centimeter. Now you write down in a form of fraction 300 centimeter upon 20 centimeters. So to centimeter, both the units are same. So we can cut them. Or just see here, 20s. 1 0 1 0 we can cut. So it is equivalent to 30 upon 2. Further also we can reduce it. Yes, 30 is divisible by 2 and this one is 2. So 2 into 1 and it is 15. So it is equivalent to 15 upon 1, or even you write down 15 ratio 1. So this is the way to write down in a form of ratio. Now come to the module number 6. In this module the question is 1 meter 20 centimeter to 2 meter 15 centimeter. This you have to write in a form of ratio. Then just see how do we write. Here we have two units, meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. So one thing is that first we convert them into a single unit. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Right everyone? So 1 meter plus 20 centimeter. This one we can write 1 meter plus 20 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This we can write 100 centimeter and it is 20 centimeter. Write down. Now they both are in a same unit to be. So we can add them. So it is equivalent to 120 centimeter. It means 1 meter 20 centimeter is equivalent to 120 centimeter. Now come to the next one, 2 meter. So 2 meter is equivalent to what? 2 into 100 means 200 centimeter. Now 2 meter plus 15 centimeter. 2 meter as we find out here, 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So it is equivalent to 215 centimeter. 2 meter 15 centimeter is equivalent to 215 centimeter. So then now the question becomes 200 centimeter to 215 centimeter. Right? Now just see how do we solve it. Here we can write in a form of fraction. Centimeter we can reduce. Now by which number we can cut? We can cut them by 5. 5. So it is equivalent to, or you can find what? You can find HCF. So it is 40 upon 43. So the answer is 40 ratio 43. Right, everyone?